Hi friends, I made my ginger tea. This is how it looks like. This is my energy drink. I'm going to show you how to make this ginger tea today. Okay, let's watch the video. Hello friends, I will show you today how to make a proper ginger tea which really has a ginger flavor in it. So I have kept 2 cups of water to boil. So once it starts boiling, we are going to add grated ginger, which is I use organic ginger. If you have a organic ginger, please use it. Otherwise, normal ginger also do, but you need to grate it nicely so that all the flavors can get into the water. So this is how I am going to grate the ginger. I use a grater and I am going to grate it. Okay, did you see I grate almost half of that piece what I had before. Almost 3 inches ginger I grated for a 2 cups of water. I'm going to add this grated ginger into that water. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to add this ginger into that and leave it for a minute or 2 minutes. Let the ginger flavor all get into the water. Okay, now you see the ginger is boiling nicely. Let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes. After 1 minute of this ginger get into the water, so I'm going to add, this is the ginger I use from Costco. In USA you get this in Costco, so buy that organic ginger. Now I'm going to add tea powder into the ginger water. I use Wagh Bakri chai premium chai powder, so that's the best tea for me. Wagh Bakri, or use society tea also very good. So I added 1 spoon of tea powder and I put little more, as I always do, little more, 1 and little more, that's all. So once it starts boiling for a minute, then I am going to add a little milk just to get the color of the tea. That's all. I'm not going to add more milk. This is how you have to make. If you add more milk, you won't get that the real taste of the ginger. So you have to add little milk, then it is also good for your throat, good for your health. Less milk and the ginger, the flavor will go into your, you can feel the flavor and you will get that effect, the ginger effect. So now I am going to add milk. Use organic milk if you can, good for health. See, I had only little milk just to get that color, little more. I think I put maybe 1/4 cup of a milk for 2 cups of water. Alright, now let this boil for maybe another 5 minutes. This is how it starts boiling. Now you reduce the heat. Never let the tea to come out. If it comes out means the tea won't be tasty. Somehow when the tea comes out from the dish, it gives a unpleasant smell, and which I don't like that. I'll be very careful whenever I make tea. I won't let the tea to come out like that. Since we add milk, there is a chances of it will very fast it will come. So you have to watch. Okay, now I reduce the heat. After I reduce the heat, wait for another 3 to 4 minutes. So when you can see these white particles of milk, it will become brown. then your tea is ready to drink. Until then, do not take it out. Some people just take out now itself, but I don't like it. We should not do that. If you do that, the milk taste will be there. I don't like that milk taste. I want the ginger taste. So I wait for another few minutes. Once this becomes brown, the first layer, the layer you can see, it's still whitish, right? It's a milk one. So wait for a few minutes. Once it go, then you are ready to drink by adding sugar. If you want to add sugar, add sugar. I always add sugar. I use brown sugar. Always I use brown sugar. You can add jaggery. Jaggery also goes very well with this tea. Sometimes I also add jaggery and palm sugar I add. But never use white sugar. Please stop using white sugar. Do not buy white sugar at all. It's like white rice. Okay, white things are not good for health. Even white milk not good, white rice not good, white sugar is not good for health. So use it naturally. Use a hand pound rice, which is brown rice. Use brown sugar and milk. Of course, we can't use brown milk, so we can use organic milk, but drink less. Use majge buttermilk or yogurt. Eat more of those if you are willing to, if you want to have a milk products. And eat ghee, also very good for health, but not a direct milk. It may have calcium for children for growth. Let them drink, but adults, I am talking about adults. Girls who are about like 16 to 20 years age, when they are started getting pimples, if you still drink the milk, you get more pimples and skin won't be good. Actually, we have that thing like milk will make our skin good, but in fact it won't. If you stop taking milk, you can really avoid all those pimples and skin problems. This is my experience I am telling, but if you don't have any problem, please go ahead. So now you see it's becoming little brownish. Look at this, become brownish. So now you can strain it and add brown sugar and start having a nice ginger tea. You won't believe, once you start making a ginger tea like this, you will love it and you always want the same one. That's the problem. I can't drink tea if I go anywhere because I am so used to this ginger tea and I want it like this always. So freshly made, I always want it like this. So whenever I go to my friend's place and all, so I will initiate to make tea. So they will let me do. So I make for everyone. They all love this ginger tea because I want to have a ginger tea. So I make for everyone. And that's how and outside when I go, I won't drink tea at all. So this is how you have to make ginger tea. Let me strain it and I'll show you. Alright friends, I off the stove. Now I'm going to take my tea. Look at the tea color, how beautiful it is. Okay, now this is the best tea in the world. And I'm going to add jaggery into this. I love to drink jaggery tea. If you don't like jaggery, you can add brown sugar. Okay, not a white sugar. See, I add this much jaggery. I mix it nicely. This is my avocado toast I made for my breakfast. And this is my tea. Here we go. Look at this. Enjoy, make a ginger tea and keep your health in a good way, and your throat will be very good if you have ginger tea. But make a ginger tea in this method. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye. All right, I have to show you this also. Look at, after I strain all the tea, look at that. I have very less tea powder, okay, and more of ginger. Look at this. This is how it has to be when you make tea. Okay, when you make ginger tea, this is how it will be. All right. The another 1 cup extra I am storing in this hot cup. After an hour, I am going to drink that. But do not keep the tea for more than an hour outside and reboil and drink. No, never do that. But you can keep it in a hot container for 1 hour and you can drink it. So that's all, friends. Stay happy, be healthy. Thank you for watching my video. If anything, please write in the comment section. I will try to answer you whenever possible. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day.